No, Mr. Stokes now normally ride it up on the top of the hillside there so.
Yeah.
And him normally just look over on him property cause the whole of back here so now they cover with sugar.
Oh. Oh, a pure sugar cane.
Yeah.
Pure sugar cane.
So Mr. Stokes now normally just ride him horse and go look on the sugar plantation, brother.
Yeah.
Every day he used to do it. He used to do it in the morning, he used to do it in the evening. To check him property.
Yeah.
So folklore has it that after him dead, brethren.
Yeah.
People could have still, people who said them can see ghosts, said them would have still see Luke Stokes.
I walk up and I ride
I ride the horse in the morning and in the evening. So them see my riding horse, brother. So.
Right now, I see a white horse, I come here running.
Yes, you know.
Be a shifting and one for the channel, so just make sure to subscribe. All of them something, okay? You know, say Jae Says.
So guys, this is the entrance to Charles Scheme, guys, and you know I'm gonna be taking Big Supa on a journey. So we're waiting to meet up with Big Supa at the moment. So as soon as Big Supa reach on location, guys, yeah, we'll connect, you know. So this is the entryway for Charles Scheme. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Alright guys, watch out now. So we're up on a walk. Me just get a surprise a while ago. Somebody just roll up on my ends and say, yo, watch out now, Jay. Guess what? Where me there? I ask him when them tell me, say, yo, me there for your ends. So me I say, yo, you there for my ends? Him I say, you want view the Stokes Hall Great House. So who better to ask than the other person that is actually in the location? So guess what? So today I'm here with Big Supa, guys. Guys, I don't know Big Supa.
Every time.
See him there? Yeah,
5 million people clock in.
Jaja, one of the biggest YouTubers in St. Thomas right now. So we're gonna be making a walk, guys, and we're going.
So how does it come on for you something?
He can't come off.
And I done your battery done
I
already.
lie to tell. The devil is a liar.
And I done the battery done for the phone.
And I done it done.
Call your son, where him going
Hey,
over son?
yo, the way I do. Come in. So guys, we're gonna make the walk, and you guys get to come with us.
Alright.
So Big Supa and Jae Says
Out in the
touch the
street.
road and guess what, guys? We are actually in Charles Scheme.
Yeah.
Charles Scheme. So we'll walk through Charles Scheme and make our way up to the Great House. And guess what? When we get to the Great House, guys, we'll give you some history. Supa never know where I get himself into.
Yeah,
And me asked to come with him.
Call the teacher people, the place.
So let's go. Yeah.
Yes, maybe was answer. So the community at Charles Scheme, but I say it's alive and well.
A little scheme within the community, you know?
Yeah.
Nice couple place. Nobody not trouble, nobody you left your door open, and nobody even look for you, you're sitting there.
Alive.
Jaja, man, tell them, man.
No, I come when I come to the house, so I can left the door open.
Space there, you know?
Everywhere I go in a St. Thomas, that them tell me.
Yeah, but let me tell you something,
Left
man.
your door open.
Super, between me and you,
Yeah.
the level of crime
Yeah,
we're in a Jamaica
yeah.
is like is a small fraction of
Yeah.
people where get in trouble.
Oh, and
Yeah, I just a handful of people that get in trouble, brother.
I get the problem. Come on one intersection.
All right,
I'm gonna
so-
go left or right.
Normally,
Yeah.
would I go left,
Yeah.
but more want you see the entire scheme. So we're gonna look for some more house around us and some more walkway and chat to people and so on and so forth.
You go to Charles Scheme.
Yeah. Sir Peter,
Yeah.
manners and respect.
Go on, kids. How you guys doing today? Yeah? How you guys doing?
Baby. Yes, one
More
up.
blessings, more blessings. Yeah, man. So, the scheme now, as far as the
Yeah,
scheme.
baby, I call you.
Yeah, look at friends, I'm call it. Then we are walking with no boy. One go yell them up. You can never go back to school Monday morning and beat you when you go to school Monday morning.
That thing, you know.
Then, oh, we see I walk with Big Supa, so you don't know way.
Yes, man.
So go on there. Focus back at things that go on.
Come on, tell us a big place, man.
All you need one now, I just have to do the road here.
Mm-hmm.
The road is paved. The road, so like how the main road I look at. How can I do this, Jae?
A June for me now.
Yeah, in my month too, you know.
Yeah, don't.
Yeah, June in a June.
Oh, happy
people.
belated birthday, by the way, Super.
Yes. Happy Father's Day to you too.
Jaja, yes.
You understand? June plum in a June, people.
Auntie Minette. Morning, darling.
Auntie Minette. More blessings to you. We can get some Father's Day dinner. Alright, when me a pass back here. What time you ready? Alright, you have a pass back about 3 o'clock. No problem.
You get Father's Day dinner Big Soup.
You don't get none.
I mean, the runner don't get none.
You know, ask, you know.
At that.
You know.
Yeah, guys, so we're the Panchal scheme, guys. And we just carry Big Super around, show him some of the houses.
Yeah, nice community.
Yeah, because a lot of people don't really know that when you come into the entrance of the scheme,
Yeah.
it is this big around this side. They don't really know that.
No, cause
So, you know,
from outer road, you see.
you can't really see. You can't really see a lot
Alright, you see the sign where you put up,
from outer road. Yeah.
make it look like our Beverly old scheme round there. No, because I look you come to some skyscraper building and all.
Which is right,
But that place look nice in that
don't it?
when that done up, you know, paint up, you know.
Yeah, man. When the house here done up, it all nice, man.
Pretty.
Guys, I'm gonna zoom in and show you a Big Super look, man. Yeah, man. When that finished, it all nice,
Yeah,
guys.
it's gonna look real good.
And one other thing what we can boast about in other area to Big
Yeah.
Super, and not because of my place,
Yeah.
is the fact that it is very heavily vegetated.
Oh, me see
So,
it come in.
yeah, man. So,
Yeah.
you know,
Something women say a long time.
guava,
Guava.
jaja.
Oh, you know, man.
We see it,
A
man.
long time I don't see guava, you know.
Go.
I'm sorry, I never have a zoom like what you have. But you could have really go zoom up. Let me add in, put up one small one.
This one, a small one.
Yeah, open the drop over there.
Take your time in a Super. Watch him, watch him, guys. Watch him. J Squad don't know watch Super. Watch him. See the people in guava tree. I have to go in the people in guava tree. You know? Adapt me. I said, hey man, you're dropping a Super.
13 people. What's in front of me? Guava.
Yeah, Jaja Super with the guava. Yeah.
Stokes Hall deep, I miss guava.
You wicked to yourself in a
Yeah,
Super
come
cast
on,
one
come
nice
on,
big
come
one here right
What?
so.
Wait, one nice big one didn't split it.
Yes,
The sun didn't draw me out.
right, yes,
What the sun have pulled me out, you know.
Yes, yeah. Go on, pull him out, CJ. Pull him out. Pull him out. Pull him out. Pull him out, CJ.
Pull me out. You want to tell me some gone down in the bush
And go over the right, yes, sir. Watch out, guys. Watch it. Watch out.
Watch it.
Watch out.
Me gone down in the bush, people.
Watch it.
And
Go over the
in
right, a
front of
Super
me.
and a Super. Actually,
You see that?
I look up in a tree and I go down in a gully if you find guava.
Watch it, people. And go over the right in front of me. Look on that.
So guys, you see that guava like this now, guys. When it look like this now,
Yeah.
some people might misinterpret this even lime.
Yeah,
The thing what we call lime.
yeah,
But if you look carefully, you realize it's not really lime.
Yeah.
It's guava, right?
yeah.
Now, when the guava actually go to it ripening, guys, it take on a different color. It start get yellow, and some of them have a whitish look too. Different species.
Yeah.
When you're busting it now, guys, it depends on the breed of guava again. It can either come yellow, it can look orange,
Yeah.
or you can get white as well, guys. So, yeah, man, that's guava for you. And there are many medicinal benefits of guava and guava leaf. Let me tell them about the guava a little bit. Super.
Okay,
So you see, if
okay.
you have high blood pressure,
Yeah,
a lot of people say you can boil the guava leaf,
yeah.
and that we actually subsidize, but you can't take too much at
Oh.
once.
Oh, wow. So run us a look nice, man.
Yes, you know, man.
The back at Charles Scheme there.
Yeah, man. You're running as a VIP.
And the VIP, you
Run us
know, you know.
You're running as a VIP.
People, the man say run at the VIP, what me now go run at the back, you know.
So, guys, guess what
Music
now?
up here around there.
So
It's
with
a apple tree.
apple
It's a
tree there around here.
See a man there.
I will.
See a man at the apple tree there. Come and go interview him.
Hey, hey guys, you never see African video where brother named Tenge?
Hold on there, man. What happened left on the tree?
I'm going for the tree.
No apple.
What going on, Saya? Guys, my eye.
They might enjoy them apple.
What is that specimen? Let's take a closer look.
Hold on. Go on to the apple.
What going on, cuz boy?
Apple. Pick up yourself. Pick up your life.
Up at Great House, we are trying to go in. So we
What
are.
can you tell about the community?
You know, so really I told the community peaceful though.
Yeah, you see that. You see that. Charles
And
Scheme.
basically, if you don't raise up the hands,
Yeah.
the hands don't bite.
Ah.
Simple.
I love that talk.
What you say?
Yeah. Why is you not stepping at the ants nest?
The hands don't bite.
The ants won't bite you. Yeah. Come now, there's some no apple left in the tree, yeah? And we can't get one.
But the text ain't a fire.
I saw the man then clean out the apple tree, brethren. No, sir.
Apple that today is taking the stay.
No, sir. Yeah, man up in there skinning teeth. I'm like him a free for them open. Free for them right.
No, and Apple do that. Aki, you have to laugh on the Aki tree. When them say you have to laugh on the Aki tree in order for Aki open.
Yeah, man. More blessings here.
Bless up yourselves, Isaiah.
Isaiah. Big up people, big up Isaiah.
See him there, guys. Isaiah. Big up yourself, Isaiah. So yeah, guys, this is Charles Scheme for you.
It's a very nice, cool place. And me draw an inference from what the man said. The man said, if you don't raise up the hands,
Ants not bite you, man. If you don't raise up hands, ants not bite you.
don't nobody come round and come step in on our hands nest.
And,
Things say you never get bite.
and the funny thing about that too, guys,
Yeah.
even that, when you step in an ant's nest sometimes, a man will walk away before anything happens.
Yeah, him step up back quick.
Yeah, man.
Like,
Like,
realize that the ants nest will get mad.
that's the reason why I tell you earlier, nobody not really trouble nobody here, sir. Like, if you're not trouble nobody, then you're not going to hear nobody mouth. Even on a day like all today.
Yeah,
And you know some communities where you're going super.
yeah.
I'll be a vulgarity even on a Sunday like this.
Yeah.
Now this community, you know, hear that, brother. It's rare when you hear no noise. This place like it should feel like a residential area.
I tell you, when you are coming out the road, if me never come around here, me wouldn't know that the place nice and clean.
Man, that's
In
right
terms
thing,
of the looks, because the sign you put at the front of the place, you know.
Very
Make it look
appealing,
like
though.
some high skyscraper building around here, you know.
Yeah, which
You
is
look
right.
at some 4 or 5 story up on the sky around here, you know.
Soon.
Yes. The place just decent and all these things.
For real.
Yeah, man. So me love it.
Oh,
Me
yeah,
love
so
it
man.
down here, man. Me love it.
It's nice,
And
man.
the place full of vegetation, as you say.
Yeah,
And
man.
what me like with that walk here, you see, is that we have to show the people them a different route.
A different route to get to the Great House.
Stokes Hall Great House.
So that's the objective of the day, guys. We
Yeah.
actually
Normally,
I'll show you the traditional.
yeah, where the ancestors they used to
Yes,
walk.
that is it.
No, not the Pleasant Hill route to go to the Great House. Can you see me do a video with the Pleasant Hill route?
This is the other way to get to
This
the
a-
Great
other
House,
way.
guys.
This is which part Paul Bogle and them friend them used to shampoos. You understand?
Which is right.
Yeah, I see him shortcut this. Big Supa. More blessings again here.
Let's up again now, Peter.
Alright.
Alright, so watch out now, guys. So we are going to take a left right now. Put a switch screen.
Oh, the gimbal.
Gimbal switch my screen for me. So
Screen, what you do now? You have to stop.
yeah,
Start again.
so I have to go edit up and a lot of edit. But the gimbal now give me an opportunity now for just run straight and let me chop it up
Yeah, me
as we
understand.
please,
Yeah,
you
me
know.
understand. That's why I like the GoPro, you know.
Yes, you know.
The GoPro is a all-in-one.
Yeah, you know, so the GoPro is something for my wish list for this year though.
Yeah, man, you have to get one, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Maybe
get the hero.
I want to get a
Yeah,
hero.
man. At 12,
maybe-
me have now, but
yeah.
maybe by you already gonna reach 13.
See it there?
Yeah, which is better. And the more you upgrade,
Better quality.
better quality.
That is the reason. I don't know if you watch my recent videos.
Yeah.
Like you would have probably noticed even the quality of my videos them change. my video-
Wagwan.
Different device.
Oh, different device.
I start use back
The gimbal.
the gimbal. Me get the gimbal as well as me start use my Note.
Hold on there,
The
hold on
Samsung
there,
my Samsung Note.
Stick a pin. What is in front of me, also?
You know so sweet potato though.
Sweet potato people, pull up.
Big
pull
old
up,
sweet
pull up,
potato
pull up.
patch.
Sweet people. Nice clean sweet potato.
Yes man.
Farming are going in front of me.
Yes man.
Those are fun. Who plant on a sweet potato. Big up my friend them. down at
Big up all the
Australia.
people them where plant them
Part of
sweet potato, you know.
backyard garden. Big up Nichibu.
Yeah man.
Big up Tony. Sweet
Big old shout outs to all of those subscribers as well. And guys over here, so now I'm gonna show you some sugar cane. All the things going for my little ends, man. I tell you already, so the place is highly vegetated and it's nice. So right there, so now a sugar cane. Well, actually I walk so sugar cane, guys, and on top of the sugar cane now, guys, let me just zoom in because people plant up in place, so I don't really want to go in there. If you look carefully now, guys, you can see pineapple over the background there. So
Pineapple around there.
see it there?
Yeah.
Pineapple there right there.
I tell you, a crocus bag of things
A
down here.
whole heap or something.
Yeah, maybe
Mr. Jones. Oh, got
Yeah.
this, sir.
Maybe you have some for your feet. Your feet.
Hold on, super, Mrs. something else will catch me here. You
Right.
come. See it there?
Yam?
No, I know yam yet.
Oh, can I see some pineapple
Look.
from one place?
Brother, so something will go on the internet from the other day. So guess what? Me I draw close and just show people
The melon.
our buzz on the internet.
The melon around things, you know, we don't keep like it.
So guys, this is a cassava. If you've never really seen cassava,
Yeah, the cassava around here.
yeah, if you've never really seen cassava, guys, a cassava that.
Good old Jamaican cassava
Good
tree.
old Jamaican
I then call
cassava
Cuba
tree.
sweet in a
Ah,
Clarendon,
Theo.
you know.
See it there?
In a different parish, them get different name.
Yeah,
But original name fit a cassava. People.
cassava.
And before me go, yeah.
So let me give you guys some back history about cassava too. The Tainos, the Indians are used to there, so that used to be a big staple in them diet, cassava. But guys, this is what I really wanted to show you guys. I mean, know enough people, enough of our viewers them from overseas are going vex with me now.
Out I go run water right here now.
Look how we buck up on, guys.
What?
Could they?
Mango.
Could they?
What kind of mango them?
A East Indian mango them, eh, brother.
What make them look so?
A East Indian man. East Indian.
No, why them look so? Why them have this?
Yeah, no,
Are the country thing about it?
I wonder if because of the
drought we get from
the drought we get from the other day. See it here, guys. I want to know what that going on. Watch there. That never planned, you know, guys. You never planned, but I guess we get lunch for the journey too.
You see that, people? East Indian. Yo.
Lunch for the journey, you know.
You
Looking
see
at
that,
super
people?
on.
You see that? Look at
Look
that.
at
Look at that.
Mango drop
Look
off
at
in
that.
on.
You see that? Yeah, funny how you don't want to pick it. Well, I'm funny. Come here, tell us I don't pick it, but you know say it right. No far. Yeah, enjoy the walk, people.
Yeah, guys, so see it there? We know enough people are going to vex with the feet, man. Real mango. We are tried on, you know, we're just making some discoveries on Charles scheme, showing Big Supa around. You know, say, you have to be a good host whenever you carry people at your place, you know, so the fact that Supa show up, even though he show up, and the Bible says, lay and a no man suddenly we have to just make the best of it. You know, sometimes you have some family member, they not announce them come here yard and they show up, you know, guys. Big Supa one of them family member there. Just show up. Show me. Yeah, man, sweet potato, man. See it here again, guys, sweet potato. Alright, so guys, we're going to make the turn here now and we're going to start trod the hill. I mean, no Big Supa not afraid of hill, you know. Auntie Shara, what go on? Thank you, baby. You don't mind saying it on camera? I lie, I tell. Say Happy Father's Day to your best friend.
Yeah.
Hey, watch her. See the smiley, guys.
Yeah, they look pretty nice and clean.
She's nice, man. I'm a friend. You're not Big Supa, right?
Yeah, you know me, man. She clock in and lock into my channel, man.
Which is right.
Yeah, man. Big up your Happy Father's Day to you too. Because sometimes a lot of mothers are fathers.
If you do it on their own.
Yeah.
And she one of them, you know?
Yeah, me see it for now, man.
Yo, hard-working girl.
Yeah. Big up yourself, yeah, my friend.
Big up yourself, Shara. Shara, we're going to go up a great house, you know?
Alright.
Yeah, man. Right place, no?
You can make it. When last you go there? When last you... Okay. Yeah, me like the word that you used a while ago.
Which is right.
If we have the strength. Father God, give me
Tell him,
strength.
say, what we used to run up and down where picking, you know?
Yeah.
All about over here. You can enjoy the lush greenery. So let me give you a little insight about the bush here, because some people might just see the bush here, guys, and them never even know nothing about the bush here. This, alright, so watch you now. You see the bush here now, guys? Now people call it grow steak. Zin? Or some people might call it fence bush. So you see this? If you have a bad cold, guys, just boil this and make some tea. And just drink this for all 3 mornings straight. You're frightened to see what come out of your stomach. We drink it, you know. Yeah, man, grow steak, man. Ask any old people in Jamaica about fence bush or grow steak. Every yard where you go, you can find lush vegetation. Planting and all sort of something planted up, guys. Because we believe in eating what you grow and growing what you eat. You understand? And if you do that, it'll go save a lot of money in your pocket. Yeah. Hey, Super, let me give you one backstory too. So I remember when I was a child, right? Yesterday a little bit easily accessible. So I remember one evening I walk, I come up in a Super. And just be fun, you know, pitney. My mother sent me out to one of her friends who live up the road. So. And I have a puppy. Yeah, man, I have a puppy at the time, Super. And Me a run and make me way a come down, you know, super.
Yeah.
And for the love of Jesus, the dog take down the hill, you know.
Right here.
And I right, so the dog pitch me, you know.
Right, yeah.
You see when he bounce my foot, super.
You turn over for
I
going to
down a bottom down there, so we just start to shower.
Yeah, because you start roll and everything, you know.
Yeah, all part of me chop up when time I look,
I'm
man.
about 4 foot him up and I'm going to 2 you have, you know.
So guys, look on the drop.
So when you get the drop off for yourself and I go back down
man.
there. Them time them sweet foot it and never done.
No, son, no sweet, never did if you cushion me, man. I just was a big lick, man. I chip up when me done, man. I couldn't even vex with the dog because I just play my play and he did follow me.
Yeah.
So guys, let's give you an aerial view. And the higher we go, guys, is the better you're gonna be able to see our wonderful little scheme. So this is a overhead shot, guys, of where we are walking from. So if you look all the way back down there, so guys, where you see the black drum there on the rooftop, that's where we are coming from.
See that?
All right, guys.
Clean community at
That's where we are coming from. So let's go now. Let's continue on the walk.
You got the people them in a child scheme.
Everybody in a child scheme.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. And if you don't even live in a child scheme, but you live in a Stokes Hall or you live Golden Grove, or anyone of the neighboring communities, big up yourself from around the east.
Hey, you look a boy fit, you know, look at my lead way.
Yeah, man, him.
We can't keep up with him, so only the young with the
Yeah.
When I run, that's how the dog look, you know.
That's why I man.
That's why
Come
the
used to
dog-
run go everywhere to in a super.
Boy, fit is a shame.
Yeah, man.
You might lead the pack. Ooh. See, Aki people.
Aki, guys.
Those are
Aki,
full, no?
Aki.
Oh, I eat tin Aki overseas. You can stop eating Aki now.
If you don't actually eat the tin Aki, you know, make a trip to Jamaica and make somebody probably boil some and put on for you.
Email
Yeah, no, email. We do it. Yeah, man, we'll look it and send it up here.
Where you don't eat a tree and lay down.
You're not,
And
I'm
the
not sleep,
right
man.
place
Super.
No, you have the sun life round here, man.
Brother.
No, no touch all that. How are you?
Hey, come down now, youth.
It's not in here.
Oh, you can see the scheme from there? Okay. You're showing super the scheme? Alright.
Well, you like when you're gonna work in a tourism place. You get the impression so when you're gonna work, you know.
When me gonna work the boy at tour.
All about them hills, the
So watch out now, guys.
But up on the pinnacle. Up on the pinnacle.
And he may have on the pinnacle yet, now, guys. He feel like in the on the pinnacle in a reach yet.
Which scheme that?
Alright, so guys, where you are looking at now, hey, where you're looking at now, guys, is the top part of Golden Grove Meadows.
Oh.
So this is an extension of Golden Grove Meadows as well. So when we tell you say where you are seeing,
Skyscraper them there.
sure man. So when we tell you so actually just see a part of the thing from outer road, guys, we mean it. It's just a little portion you see. But where I'm taking Big Supa, you're not able to see all of it.
Okay.
Alright, guys. So just look at the hillside, look at everything we want to see right now, guys. Yeah, man.
You know, so if you never come with me, you won't find it.
Don't. Salute now.
When you tell me to come in and turn, with a laugh. Trust me. That was it.
That's why good, man. That's why good for those link when you come in, man.
When you go to people place, make sure you call people who live there.
Don't.
When they choppy there.
Don't it?
Yeah. You return to the wrong. But you know the carry water?
You know, so when you walk with the water, though. We're good, man. We soon reach a great house.
You know what the camel method?
Yeah, them sorting of them back, you know.
No, me talk about with the human being.
Oh, them camel
They
pack?
turn camel.
Oh, yeah, they
You
know.
have to take your spit and wet your tongue.
Ah, you there.
You use the
Saliva.
metal that. Ooh. The speaker are nice though.
Yeah, that little walk here nice, guys. Me not lie you. I'ma feel like say that the walk here is like an educational walk. So watch out now. Me tell us a whole heap of thing there on my scheme, guys. You don't know what that? You don't know what that? This is noonie, guys. Some people in Jamaica now call this dopey chocho. Dopey so what's up? Dopey, yeah man. But you see this, guys, powerful something. If you have diabetes, guys, people say this is good for you actually soak it and then drink. No need that. Also, a lot of people also say that it is a natural aphrodisiac when you drink it. I want to know what aphrodisiac mean. If you don't know, jump on the dictionary, guys. But I trouble did there. Yeah man, but healthy something. Anything in the body, this work on it. Give a little disclaimer about it though, guys. It don't smell so nice, and it don't really taste so nice either, but anything was good for your body no normally.
Look at honey night, that me say them do. That me say them do put honey night.
Just put some honey in it.
Yeah, so where Paul Bogle used to take. The little boy fitter than the whole of it. Him a walk like say, a back way man walk.
I walk like you know the place.
I tell you. Oh, you don't know where you gonna work.
Hey boy.
When you gonna work, him a do them road.
Oh, you know Pastor?
Him know exactly where him a go. Long time him do them road.
But when-
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day to all our fathers, them, you know. Big up. Yeah, man, over so nice, man.
Oh, you do all that- where there?
Over here, say view there, now.
Hold on. Stick up here. I want to get a grass field. So nice to be long house, you know.
One house I build up there.
Blow.
See there?
Got somebody
Guys,
there build up on a grass piece there.
up there's a super talk, guys.
Yeah, up on the hill
On the
there.
hillside right there, so.
You can't zoom. But me I tell you, over there look
so.
nice. Over there look nice, my brethren. Over there look nice. Whoa.
And when you're there right there, so guys, you see right down in the Golden Grove Meadows.
Yeah.
So all of the houses that you can see down there, so guys, Golden Grove Meadows that.
So all in a Duckens field and them place there.
Alright, pre this now. Look all the way over to this, so
Yeah.
super. You look in a Rolandsfield area
Yeah.
when you look there, so. So if you keep going due west,
Yeah.
going that direction, about you end up in a.
I know.
About you end up.
Some nice clean life I live around here.
Don't it?
Me I tell you.
Yeah, man.
Never move. When you chop out a spot. Chop out a spot for me.
Which is
My
right.
lady see me where they tell me, I tell her.
And guys, construction still a going, guys. People just a build.
You
You
know,
know,
the last 10 years, Jamaican people have built like, whoa.
yeah, man, I work for infrastructure put in.
And them say build and more build.
So, guys, we are a few chains away from the Great House.
Alright. So quick?
Yes,
Already?
man. So, I know me, I try to tell you now, super. Say, watch this now. So, this route
Yeah.
is the shorter route.
And the shorter road.
I shorter route this.
Hold on there, stick up in. Dog, step on the road, yeah.
Dog,
See
the pan.
yourself turn back there.
Dog, the
That-
pan
that
road
tell
there.
you.
Trouble with the security.
Yes.
Okay, then. Don't do that. You will get bite.
And
So-
dog no like boy.
So, when we reach up at the Great House now, I'll give some history about that same road where I walk on. I mean,
Ancestors road.
as I tell you, information where you don't need to get.
All Bogle himself loose to walk on that road there. My viewers and sub. So one cat they favor one of my cat them. But the only thing my cat them not have that eye there. This is a yellow eye there.
Yeah,
My cat them have that eye there.
yeah. I want good workout this, you know.
That change my mind.
Guys,
Boy used to go Blue Mountain Creek regular, you know. But I tell you,
someone want to show you something else I've not seen in a long time, guys.
lucky.
Let me look if me to make sure, guys. Oh, then we can go close to it.
What them call it?
Super, you know what this?
A cherry?
A cherry tree, this is a super.
What does a cherry look so?
Super, a long time, and it's a cherry tree, no super.
A cherry.
Jaja, yes. A cherry.
You know it's a cherry tree.
Hold on there, guys. Let me pick
About time
one.
when it scratch you.
Yes, you know. Guys, wait there, looking at me hand, guys. On cherry, this one.
Yeah, cherry tree. About time when it scratch you, you know that.
Yeah,
If it's certain season when you go around it,
it's
it will
scratch.
scratch you up.
Yeah, that's true.
We got the people that love cherry.
All of the cherry people,
So they
then.
can come around a Charles scheme. Come pick cherry anytime soon.
Anytime
So
soon,
by
guys.
next month, that tree they loaded.
That tree is going to be full of cherries.
Boy, you look like me I come over one hill. Yo, I know normal sitting there.
So me can give you a little bit of truth.
Yeah,
Now when me and you set out a while ago, I never sure
yeah.
said the road was going to be intact.
Oh,
Because truth be told, super,
our bees drop something for you. I fly over.
truth be told,
Yeah.
me no walk that road here. This road here now where we are walk on, me no walk on that road here now in about 20 years.
Okay.
I live here in about the route here.
Yeah.
Me no walk that route here in about 20 years.
But
Guys, that's a long time.
Because you know what I mean? How this? How kind of fruit? This breadfruit?
This is breadfruit. Look up in that tree, guys. I could see if we can see none. With the right hand, I need a breadfruit tree, right? There's one, a coconut tree there, right beside it, guys. You see breadfruit? Right there. Jaja, the boy, yeah, working a super.
Oh, yeah, that's funny.
Boy, yeah, work.
Into breadfruit.
Him see breadfruit. I'm a zoom. I'm a zoom decide not to work.
Eh? Nah, no zoom to work, none at all. You're lucky.
See, guys. Alright, so guys, again, I'm sorry, so we don't know see zoom properly, guys. But let's go. Let's continue now. Alright, so Like how we then near now to the Great House Super, we can get a backstory. So this roadway where you see right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, CJ, hold on. So they
investigator, you know?
yeah man. I am that.
Yeah.
So the original plantation owner around here so was called Mr. Luke Stokes.
It's a Luke Stokes.
Luke Stokes.
Stokes.
Yeah,
Stokes.
Luke Stokes.
Yeah.
Um
I don't really Stokes, you know.
no,
Stokes.
not Stokes, Stokes.
Oh, God.
Now Luke Stokes are one of the original British them where they come over to do the conquest, to search out new land
Yeah.
and try to find a way of to overturn the Spaniards.
Yeah.
So after the victory where them did have over the Spaniards,
Yeah.
Luke Stokes now acquired this piece of property. The British government gave him all of this area.
Yeah.
So as far as the eyes can see, guys,
Yeah.
Luke Stokes did own the whole of the property here because they considered it to be very fruitful because
Yeah.
they're right on the
The main road.
the basin.
It's up on the basin.
They're on the basin, so it's
Oh.
always green.
Okay.
So Luke Stokes inherit that piece of land here.
Yeah.
Now, as a result of that, now the road that me there show you know where they tried upon.
Yeah.
Folklore has it
Yeah.
that Luke Stokes used to have a white horse.
Yeah. White ass.
Yeah, man, he used to have a white horse.
The story them always have a white ass.
Yeah,
in it.
man.
I don't know why. But
Plantation
go on,
owner, you know.
Them
So
love white ass. You
they
notice
love
them?
the white horse them.
Them not choose no other
Because
ass to ride.
The white horse now is a form of dominance.
Oh,
And I
and
say,
a symbol. The
ah,
white man them in charge.
right,
So them a ride a white ass.
right. No, Mr. Stokes now normally ride it up on the top of the hillside there so.
Yeah.
And him normally just look over on him property because the whole of a castle now they cover with sugar.
Oh. Oh, a pea sugar cane.
Yeah.
Pea sugar cane. land,
So Mr. Stokes now normally just ride him horse and go look on him sugar plantation, brother. Every day he used to do it. He used to do it in the morning, he used to do it in the evening to check him property.
Yeah.
So folklore has it that after him dead, brethren,
Yeah.
people could have still, people who said them can see ghosts, said them would have still see Luke Stokes.
I walk up and
I
them and I ride the white ass round there.
I ride the horse in the morning and in the
I must
evening.
see the man off my head. Why you are
So
dead?
them see my riding horse, brother.
Right,
So
you know, me see a white ass, I come here and run, you know.
yes, you know.
So
So-
you want to drive to walk with you. This is the Pleasant Hill.
So guys,
We do when a
what we
Pleasant
done now,
Hill.
we merge on the road now where would they take you from Pleasant Hill
Yeah.
to come all the way over onto the road of the Great House. So that's the reason why I was telling Super earlier, say it's easier.
Yeah.
The route that easier when I show him.
Yeah.
Because once you trod from round the back in the scheme,
Yeah.
mosquito guys,
Lord God.
make sure you bring your repellent if you come
Yo.
up here.
Yeah, my socks in my bag, you know, I'm going to have to go for them.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
guys, we now merge on the main road, guys.
Yeah, we're up on the main road.
And a few years ago, this road
Winchester.
would have lead you now to Winchester.
Yeah. Come up the hill.
Winchester
to carry-
Crossing, guys.
To carry to the Great House.
Right.
When we do the first walk, me see that road they were turn gone down, so I never know what it was all about.
Yeah.
So I never bother turn, me just continue.
So that road they know that carry down in the scheme. Tell you, hey guys, wanna come with me?
Guinea people, Guinea.
Wanna look how we just buck up and come here guys. Let me show you.
Latin people.
Wanna see how it is?
All over Guinea.
Watch it.
Next month, Guinea part.
Get up, me, get up, daddy.
Watch it guys.
Get
I get it, that you know. Them ain't look like them ready.
Look for that. Oh, there it is.
Boy,
You not taste
no, me not yet.
This I get up.
it ready?
You know, so they're not ready, but we can taste it, so they're more sweet though.
No, okay. It's the pea sugar in them.
Yeah. So guys, we are on the way now
We do the talk.
to the Great House. So before we go to the Great House, let me just give you another little bit of insight. So this roadway as well as the Great House now, the National Heritage Trust took it on a few years ago. And as a result of taking it on, they recognize this now as a national monument, a national symbol. A national monument and a national symbol. This road now, guys, can lead you all the way back to Rocky Point Beach. Can lead you, yeah man, it can lead you back to Hampton Court. It can lead you back. Oh yeah, sir, man.
I don't know that road I can't run.
I'm going to tell you, man, I will a little ins and outs, man. Ins and outs. So that's the reason why I tell you, Big Supa, say, when you're coming a man place, link a man, because you will get more info.
Yeah, you have to know where I'm going.
Yeah, man, you just tell me, man.
Yeah, man, you have to know where I'm going, people.
So National Heritage just took on this location a few years ago, guys, and believe me.
A mosquito bite?
Yes, man, a mosquito.
But them, I mean them supposed to bite.
Them bite everybody in the partial.
And them not bite your son.
No.
Mosquito not bite Pitney, you know.
No.
Now we are come up the hill, yeah. And we are ahead.
Yeah, up here so kind of rough, guys,
Oh, yeah.
in regards to some only pass slavery, something. You feel the vibration once you get on them location,
The space
guys.
don't really bother me, you know.
No.
And me mean the passerbys them.
Yeah.
People that pass and gone.
Yeah.
They love me. The whole of them over there watch the channel.
Yeah.
Yes, them clock in on the other
Oh,
side.
yeah, so then clock even the other side too.
Yes, when they chat down so much breadfruit tree for a breeze blow them down.
Breeze blow down when I say, man.
That is nice clean breadfruit tree get blow down.
Yeah. So what me I say is this, guys. Sometimes you're there in them place here, guys, and you can definitely feel the ancestral vibration. You just know, say somebody passed or something passed. You know what I mean? So yeah,
You
I saw
feel
them
the
place.
vibration.
You feel the vibration, so I saw them place I stay.
You see the man with the white ass. I get up and dig it. You see me run down there, you know.
Hey, super, stop it there.
If a man ever make mistake and pass out with a white ass right now, Big Supa
Yeah.
foot get better.
A few years ago, and tree did all drop down across yesterday, you know. You couldn't drive up there. But guys, this is a nice driving road.
They're full of breadfruit.
And
Next month we can come pick breadfruit up there, man.
yes, you know.
Go
We
breadfruit
normally,
tree, man.
since me and I'm older years now, guys, we drive come up here so sometime and just chill by myself.
What you talk about that chill? You look like it's a little hangout spot also.
Yeah, well, nobody don't really come up here too tough.
True them afraid of the white ass.
I'm not even sure, but it's like every now and again people will pass through because it's on the National Heritage Trust.
Yeah.
But you know there's something go already. Enough people now go really,
Young breadfruit.
really, guys, young breadfruit, guys.
Maybe you are that some.
So we reach, guys. And before we give you the big reveal, we just want to just walk closer over to the edge right here, so guys, and just show on down in a community so you see what I was talking about earlier. So all the way up to the now, guys. Them houses are down there, so you will have that Charles Golden Grove Meadows.
Yeah, Golden Grove Meadows.
Yeah, Golden Grove with the red top.
Yeah.
Any one of the red top building them down there, so Golden Grove Meadows that. But guys, if you turn the camera this way, you're looking all the way down to what we call bottom scheme. Come over a little bit to the left or to your left, my right. That community now that is nestled right in the little areas where we are coming from. So you guys can see how far we actually walk a while ago. We take on a good little walk, guys. But where you are seeing now is where we are coming from, guys. So we're going to get into it, you know. We're going to show you the great house. We're going to the big reveal, right? You know, Big Supa has done a great house video already. I have done a great house video already, but we're going to do it again, show you.
Can't too much people.
Can't too much, because we are showing a different route.
Can't
So
too much
guys,
people.
this is the Stokes Hall Great House. And one important fact about Stokes Hall Great House is this is one of the last
Sonny, come with us.
properly standing great houses where you can see most of the infrastructure on the island. And also another backstory, guys, this one was the first, one of the first great house that was erected on the island. Because as I tell you before, Luke Stokes was mandated to come find out how to conquer the Spanish.
Yeah.
And they were successful in doing so, and as a result,
I'ma give you one time.
yeah man, them a give me a warm time. They must say they long for see me.
Oh, I mean, not come on here, them a really do
So
I want to know they're not ready for me yet.
So what you know now, guys, the great house now, after Luke Stokes' sons build the great house, 'cause he started the project, but guess what now? Yellow fever kill him. So him son them finish, yeah, him son
God
them
bless him soul.
finished the project, but he never really got a chance to live in the great house for a long time. Shortly after the great house, they build.
He's a teacher, tell me that too. He's a teacher.
Yeah man, shortly after the great house did build, Luke Stokes died, guys, due to yellow fever. And
again.
his slaves, the slaves them when they bring over from St. Kitts and Nevis, because he had residence in St. Kitts and Nevis, guys, and he was successful as a sugarcane farmer and plantation owner in St. Kitts and Nevis as well. So this great house particularly was not built by any one of the slaves from Jamaica.
Oh,
None of the Jamaican slaves them ever built this. All of this infrastructure was built by the slaves from St. Kitts and Nevis.
okay.
So
Why me not turn up here so too long? You
no.
can't eat me.
Mosquito then start visiting
Yeah,
now.
the White House garden and the mosquito them.
So-
See, people,
As far as
the
you guys
big
can
breadfruit
see,
tree
you know.
still there. Up a Stokes Hall Great House.
Hey, as Pitney, guys, as children, when me did young, we used to read this a tree like it's no tomorrow.
Yeah.
We used to come up here, guys, every summer. And when we come up here every summer now, guys, we used to just pick breadfruit and set up a wood fire somewhere near us and cook, you know, guys. And we have a curry chicken back and all sort of something, you know. And we just deal with the matter.
Yeah.
So, history has it that these two parts of the Great House were connected, right? Yeah. So if you notice, this is the front part right here, and this is the next part over here, right? Now, inside where we are looking right now is the hallway. So all of that used to be the hallway, the inside, where them used to congregate and have their little functions. This was the hall. Yeah. So I could walk in the now, guys, and I'll show you what the hall used to look like. And shortly, guys, we're also going to go inside of the building and show you guys what really I talk about. Super, now what am I doing now? Super draw me out, guys, because guess what? I mark my exam paper them because as Super tell you, I'm a teacher. You know everything I echo in there. Yeah, because it's start bounce from the room then now. Yeah. So Super draw me out of my house because I mark people in them paper, guys. But I couldn't pass up the opportunity, guys, to actually share that history lesson here. History lesson. So I'm going to one of them buildings. So I'm gonna take you guys around the other side. I'll meet up back with Big Supa around the other side, and then I'll take him on the inside, guys. So walk with me now. All them tree here, they are from slavery time, guys. I don't know, this tree right here is a couple hundred years old. A couple hundred years old. I'm going to take you on the inside shortly, guys, but may I have one more thing to show you before me show you the inside. Alright, guys, so some people say that this used to be a well. We're good enough. Some people say that this used to be a well, guys. Allah, you want me to come up here last time? Them said this used to be a well. So why not clean it up and fill it up with water? Why? I don't know, Right now we're not falling up, Them say it used to be a well. Yeah. But at the same time, some people say that Stokes son them. Yeah. When the slave them used to, people say that. Some people say right apart there. When the youth them get trouble, when the slaves them get trouble, them used to just put them down in the night. I'll beat them. And just drop them down in the night, guys. I'll beat them. Yeah, so over the well. We don't know which part of the story if you actually believe, but all the old heads in a community will always tell you their version of the story. So guys, this is the billboard, Stokes Hall Great House, and the history when we did give Big Supa. So I run it through and you get to share that with me. So it says, after the British invaded Jamaica in 1655 and seized the land from the Spanish, Oliver Cromwell, Lord Protector of the Commonwealth, from 1653 to 1658, issued a proclamation for the English settlers of North America and the West Indies to settle the newly won island of Jamaica. Now, according to Jenny Jemat, which is the author, Jamaica National Foundation, Parish History, and St. Thomas, settlers from other English colonies such as New England, Bermuda, Barbados came to Jamaica with a promise of land grants and other incentives. St. Thomas received its first batch of English settlers in December 1656 from St. Kitts and Nevis. Now, this group of 1,600 settlers was led by Governor Luke Stokes of Nevis, who was accompanied by his wife and 3 teenage sons. They settled at Hato de Marante near Port Morant. So guys, if you never hear about that, we can do some more history on that. Hato Marante, carrying its Spanish name. Alright, so which Stokes Hall renamed Stokes Field? With Stokes renamed as Stokes Field. Within 3 months, malaria and yellow fever wiped out 1,200 of the original 1,600 Stokesfield settlers, guys. So that means only 400 people alone did left back. My God. 400 people alone left back in the whole community. And as I was showing you earlier, guys, the expanse of the community is vast. So, I don't know, small place, right? Now it says even Luke Stokes' wife died in February 1657. Now, Stokesfield was eventually deemed uninhabitable due to the presence of mosquito-infested swamps. And here we are complaining about mosquito already. The survivors moved about 6.5 kilometers, which is 4 miles, northeast to settle in Stokes Hall, where a descendant of Luke Stokes built the Stokes Hall Great House. The Great House is believed to have been constructed in the early 1700s as a fortified house, not long after the French attacked the island in 1694. So guys, if the French should actually win the British, you know, say Jamaica would attack French. Basically, I don't know what to tell you. Now, Stokes Hall Great House, Stokes Hall Great House ruins stands at an altitude of about 91 kilometers, which is 290 feet overlooking Holland Bay. Now, the house features enormous square rooms, 4 stone towers, almost 9 meters, which is about 30 feet in height, a solid mahogany staircase, and loopholes for small cannons and muskets in the time of attack, and the front and back veranda. Today, the 4 cut stone towers still stand along with the foundation of the main building. And Stokes Hall Great House was declared a national monument by the National Heritage Trust in April 7, 2016. So I could just go in closer, guys, and just show you what the original building looked like. So this is what the original building of the Stokes Hall Great House looked like. Big building. Alright, so we're gonna take a walk, go inside now, guys. Mosquito Town. So you hear, you know, the recap a while ago, guys, they tell us about the towers, and I showed you the towers already, guys. Now a lot of people coming to the Great House don't even know the purpose of these holes. The history books, the history narration just told us, guys. So all of them little holes that you see right here, they were once old spaces for cannons, and these little holes right here, muskets. So soldiers were on location. Mr. Stokes Mr. Stokes' ancestors decided they want the place fortified. You understand? So all of these little ins and out guys used to carry muskets and so on. Another thing, these holes right here that you see, they used to be areas for beams. So up there, so now would have be another floor. So basically now looking at where the floor would have been. So the floor would have been there right here, so guys. And then another layer of room would have been up there. So this is where the stairwell used to be. As you can see, a groove in the wall cut right there. So you can see that that was a staircase coming all the way down inside here. Yes, I know, so I know over there. I feel it. I feel it. I know, so you know, so over there. Here, guys. So as you can see, guys, you can see for yourself. And some of the wood structure for sure, the windows, guys, is still intact to this day. To this day. Go over here to Jae and Supa.
Yeah. Do the car. Yeah, man. Come all the way up here.
So look a room here now, guys. Them say over here, so used to be where the galley is. Kitchen. And if you look, you can see burn marks on the wall to this day. Burn marks upon the wall to this day, guys. So this used to be the kitchen area, guys. So a little kitchen at this.
Oh, this was a kitchen?
Yeah, man. I said them used to serve their food. If you look on the wall, you can still see the burn mark on the wall where the place is burned.
Coat and pig and all them things they used to cook around here.
Ah, yeah. Right.
Go
over there. Yeah, man. Well built, man. Well fortified. Well fortified.
Well made. So you want jelly children, so you know how to pick jelly?
I wonder if Mr. Stokes that look on the hawk there, right? So.
Yeah, you see him at the window.
And just watch we don't.
Yeah.
Guys, there's a bird in the window we just I watch what we are doing.
Him want to look like a parrot like.
That man is a hawk, that man.
He's a hawk.
Yes.
The last time I come on here, you know, I got my eye on a jelly tree. Where are the jelly tree grow, man?
He grew, man.
Because I could have touched the jelly.
Can't touch it now. I will climb that.
Come here for get a soldier climb.
Alright, pre this. Me will carry you somewhere else right there so now too.
Yeah.
So, a lot of people think say the front of the building did start there, so
Yeah.
that's not the front of the building.
The front of the building.
No. This is where the front of the building was. So all of that where you see with the Twin Towers, this was a part of the building as well.
Okay.
This was a part of the building as well. And somewhere around here, so you used to have some steps. Yeah. So some steps you see there somewhere off here, so. Right. So the travelers them normally used to travel around that side and come right here so for the front of Mr. Stokes' place. Walk up on the steps and come in on the property. So now from this angle now, guys, look at how beautiful the place actually is from this angle.
Come son, come behind the camera. Yeah.
I actually want you to take a good look Big Supa. The Supa family, you look what go on, you can see it for yourself. So as far as I could see back that side there, so Mr. Stokes' place did look.
Yeah.
Sad to say him never get a chance to live in it.
I'm not telling you, I fence it up right now, I put on a top and live around here. All of government want to give me the okay. It's over with I live around here. The place look nice.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I tell you, I learn some things in here when I come up here. I learn about the water dam there
Yeah.
and the front of the building. I always think the front of the building was around this side.
Oh, around the side, the original front of the building.
And the entrance come up right here.
Right.
No, since I look at it, I realize I know the front too.
No, at the side.
At the side is. But what I not like though, the sign down at the front not there.
Oh.
But the sign the up here so still.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the
No,
sign
well, them now put that down in front, you know, because nobody deface it.
okay.
You know, so people, let me tell you something, you know, guys. Sad to say, me love my country, Jamaica, but we don't really care.
Yeah, we have a sign issue.
Yeah, we have a sign issue. We don't care for the things them we did, and if a man only know the importance of certain things, then wouldn't damage it. Because people, me can tell you, people will fly down and pay a lot of money if you actually come learn the history of this place, and we live amongst it all the days of our life. I will not take care of it.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, man.
For real.
That's the reason why I always tell people in Super. Yeah. You work your money and you work hard, brother. Yeah. Take an opportunity to go places, man. Yeah. You understand? Treat yourself. Go learn something new about your place. Because guess what? Yeah. A lot of the time when the foreigners come in, and trust me, we appreciate all of the foreigners them. But what me I try to say is this: sometimes the foreigners them know the places better than we. Because them go all of the places them where we now go, because we say, oh, charge us up a great house that.
Yeah, but not even that.
Or I don't know Golden Grove that.
Did you know that the foreigner them know all of the A, B and B them what we don't know?
What we don't know.
We're not going to A, B and
No,
B.
we're not. We are met by the thread. Go down.
So when I tell the people them I come and Stokes Hall Great House, I not tell them to follow me and walk through Charles scheme. Because you know, have a laws. Unless you know what call Jae Says and tell them to yo, carry me up the hill. Because right now, me go back around them, I remember the road to come up back here, so.
Come to think of it, guys,
Yeah.
as Super actually say it for true.
Yeah.
If you're really interested to take the tour of the Stokes Hall Great House, you can always hit me up.
Yeah.
You know, Jae_Says 876. That's my Instagram. So you guys can jump on my Instagram as well and just reach out to me and say, hey, I want to come check out the Stokes Hall Great House. And I'll be more than happy, guys, to give you guys a tour of the Stokes Hall Great House. Me have that the information in my head from my little pitney. Yeah. Understand, guys? So just reach out and connect, and we just make it happen. You know, let's get it situated. Also, guys, especially from Big Supa channel, we just want to know say how one family same way, share the love. Yeah. So you guys can connect to my channel as well. It's Jae Says. That's JAE space SAYS. Jae Says. Jump over my YouTube channel, man, and show some love, guys. So you can actually see even some, what do you call it now, bloopers from my channel that you probably won't see in Big Supa's video. Alright, guys.
When in my early days of YouTube, he was one of my idols. No, me with him there talking and I say, remember when you pay some advertisement for your vehicle
Don't.
See, me never forget one day me saying, I say, you ramp with your channel and a big Supa. You come like, you know what, move.
Don't.
When me look for your vehicle, you know, right round it, pierce up.
And then guess what now? Guess what now? Life getting out the way and I put on YouTube.
When me see you now, you say, boy, big, me have my work, I think about it, and I can't just focus on YouTube, so. And then YouTube is like that still, you know. So when you have something else to do. But no, people don't really understand YouTube, and we are going to discuss it. I'm going to tell people, because a lot of people know me say, I run on YouTube wagon, I jump on wagon.
Yeah.
YouTube is a 7-day job.
Yeah, man.
365 days. You understand?
Yes,
in a
man.
year, 24 hours a day work.
Yes,
So you
man.
don't bother feel say you will come on YouTube today, and next week you're gone.
Yeah.
It can't work, it's not going to work. You're
Not
not
gonna
going to see no benefit and no reward. You say you're not planning to do YouTube straight,
If you're not
you're
dedicated
not
to it, it's not going to work.
going successful in a YouTube. And at that, I'm much up enough for the people them when me say I jump on YouTube wagon.
But alright, if you notice
them
enough of the other
consistent.
YouTubers, because I start taking it serious now,
Yeah,
guys, and
yeah.
from it start taking it serious, I start to see growth in my channel.
Ah,
You understand?
You see
'Cause now I try my best to post 3 times a week.
all right.
I post every Tuesday, every Thursday, every Saturday,
Yeah,
and on a Sunday I try to do a live stream, guys.
yeah.
So if you want to be successful on YouTube, you have to just be consistent. See big old sign there too. I'm telling you. And anything you can really fool around on yourself. Want to see what that say? Reserve.
So that's what.
Forest reserve, brother. Yeah?
But it's again tree that?
Yeah, you cannot cut this down because this day are from history.
Okay.
So that's the reason why the sign reserved upon that.
Okay.
Can't touch that. So that's the reason why they put it.
Yes, you never realize the Guinness. So Guinness season is in the year, people.
Yeah, guys, Guinness season. So all of you Jamaicans in the diaspora who haven't had some Guinness in a long time, Guinness season is upon us.
Yeah.
So in about a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, Guinness go there all about the place. Yeah. So guys, you have to just have this stick to itiveness nature. You have to stick to it if you want it to be successful on YouTube. Something that we learn.
Come here, tell them, because I have a lot of YouTube friends. I mean, I watch them struggle with them channel. And the reason why them struggle because they're not consistent. They're not consistent. Them audience see them today.
And then I see them again.
Guarantee them to see them next week.
True.
And thing. And you can't do that. You have to make your audience them know say you have video go drop. All if a foolishness.
All of our foolishness.
All of the people them cuss until they say, yo, the video not up, the video not ready. Make sure you drop a video.
Just
Because
stay
them need
consistent.
something. They need something to look for.
Yeah.
If you not drop nothing, them now go clock in, them go unsubscribe. Oh, I didn't shut the video.
I'm tired.
Man, intact.
Yeah, guys. So as you can see, the sign says Forest Reserve. Them trees here are protected. These trees have been around from in slavery time, guys. So the government is trying to make sure that they protect these trees in this region. All right.
Sometimes people think it's simple. The YouTube world.
I want it to work, man. Enough work we have to put in YouTube.
You have to put in order to make it work.
You've seen the majority of the walk, guys. So we are heading out now, Manchester Crossroad, guys, and we're walking on a road called Negro Road. History behind Negro Road, the slaves that used to facilitate the plantation up top, they used to live on both sides of the road, guys. So on this side and on this side, they used to live on that side, on the road, Negro Road. So bringing you guys all the way down now to the entrance of the roadway to head up to the Stokes Hall Great House from the Winchester Crossroad end. So we showed you from the Charles Scheme end, and we're gonna now show you guys from the Winchester entrance, guys. So we are now back on the main road, guys, as you can see for yourself. We are now back on the main road, and roadwork still are going, guys, as you can see. And right where we are is the Stokes Hall Great House. So guys, this is where we are coming from. So if you're trying to find the Stokes Hall Great House, right here on the main road, guys, coming from Martha's River side, You just travel, guys, until you reach right here. There's a sign on the right hand side, guys, the Stokes Hall Great House side. All you have to do is just go up that road, maintain straight. Can't miss it, guys. It's just right there. So thanks again, guys, for sticking and staying with us. Thank you for always supporting the Jae Says YouTube channel. Remember, Jae Says, if you're not connected to Big Supa yet, you can go over there and connect as well. So until next time, we're out of here. That's what me and Migla road for. Thank you, my boss.